welcome to my channel Kids Fun Study. Subscribe my channel. Today we will learn daily use English sentence. Let's go start. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Go to bed, सो जाओ. Tell me, मुझे बताओ.
How did you get hurt? How did you get hurt? चोट कैसे लगी? Don't drink cold water. Don't drink cold water. ठंडा पानी मत पियो. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. मेरा हाथ पकड़ो. Set the table. Set the table. जाकर टेबल लगा दो. Don't play outside. Don't play outside. बाहर मत खेलो. Take it easy. Take it easy. आराम से. Have something. Have something मतलब कुछ लीजिए. I have to meet you. I have to meet you मतलब मुझे आपसे मिलना है. I am in a little hurry. I am in a little hurry. मैं थोड़ा जल्दी में हूँ. Just have patience. Just have patience. जरा सब्र करो. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. मुझे सब कुछ बताओ. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. गुस्सा मत हो.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Share and like my video. Thank you.